In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your sheets to Excel in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can share your data or continue working in Excel with confidence. First, open Smartsheet and go to the sheet you want to export. Make sure the correct sheet is on your screen and fully loaded, because the export will capture what's in that sheet. This process creates a separate Excel file and leaves your original Smartsheet unchanged, so it's a safe way to share or archive a snapshot of your work. Next, look toward the top left area of the page. Just next to your name, you'll see a small three-dot icon. This is the menu that houses extra actions for your sheet. Go ahead and click that three-dot icon. If you're on a smaller screen or your window is narrow, the icon can be a bit tucked away, so don't worry if you need to maximize your browser or hover briefly for it to appear. From the menu that opens, choose Export. This tells Smartsheet you want to create a copy of the sheet in a different format. When the export options appear, select Microsoft Excel. That's the .xlsx format that opens in Excel and most other spreadsheet tools. As soon as you select it, Smartsheet will package your current sheet into an Excel file and start the download automatically. Once the file is downloaded, check your browser's Downloads bar or your default Downloads folder. Double-click the file to open it in Excel. The structure of your sheet, your columns, rows, and most formatting will come through in a way that's familiar. Keep in mind that some Smartsheet-specific features, like certain formulas, automations, or attachments, don't have direct equivalents in Excel and may come over as values or simple formatting. That's normal and expected when moving between platforms. If you don't see the export option, it may be related to your permissions on that sheet. View-only access can limit exporting in some organizations, so you may need an editor or admin to run the export for you. Also, if nothing seems to download, check your browser's pop-up or download permissions and allow Smartsheet to save files. And that's it. Open the sheet, click the three-dot icon next to your name, choose Export, then select Microsoft Excel. With those clicks, you'll have a clean Excel copy ready to analyze, share, or archive. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.